Hi everybody, Laura here for Simon Says Stamp, and I'm excited to bring you the reveal of the limited edition Easter 2018 card kit. And this kit really has a little bit of everything. It would be fabulous for all your Easter or spring themed projects. I'm going to walk you through the contents, starting with this Easter egg design trio stencil set. So this small stencil set comes with 3 stencils. One is an Easter egg, and then there's 2 pattern stencils, kind of a randomly polka dotted background, and then this check pattern, kind of an open check pattern. Now you could layer these if you want to create really fun patterned Easter eggs, or you could use them by themselves to create really fun backgrounds. So I think this one here, this check pattern, if you did that and moved it around and layered it upon itself, I'm thinking you could create some almost plaid patterns. That's what I'm thinking. Now this kit comes with 2 stamp sets. This first 3x4 is called Iconic Easter, and all these little iconic Easter images are sized perfectly to work with these scratch off stickers. So what you could do is stamp these images, color them, and then put the sticker, the scratch off sticker, over top, and then the recipient can scratch it off and reveal the hidden surprise. There's also some coordinating sentiments like grab a penny, surprise inside, scratch off, so that they know to scratch it off to reveal the little iconic Easter image. Really fun for kids, or should I say kids of all ages, because I know I would love it. Here is the second stamp set in the kit. It's called Easter Wishes, and this is a really pretty Easter themed stamp set with some classic Easter images like the cross, cute little lamb and bunny. Now this floral heart, I really think that could be used all year long and would be great with some techniques. Speaking of techniques, you're going to get 3 alcohol inks in this kit. This one is coral, dandelion, and pistachio. You're also going to get an alcohol blending solution. And to go along with the alcohol inks, you're going to get 3 Tim Holtz Ranger mini felt applicators. You can just pop these right on your blending tools and go to town. Also included are 3 sheets of Tim Holtz Ranger Yupo alcohol papers. If you haven't tried this, prepare for your mind to be blown. The results are amazing. Also included in the kit are some Gina K Designs Deco foil sheets. These are by ThermaWeb, and you're going to get 4 colors: wild dandelion, bubblegum, grass green, and wild lilac. Now to go along with the Deco foil sheets, included in the kit is Deco foil adhesive pen, which works like a charm. Whatever you write or doodle, the Deco foil sheets will stick to it. Also included in the kit are 2 Simon Says Stamp clear storage pockets. I keep these on hand at all times. They're great for storing your stamps with the coordinating dies together. Moving right along, we have a sheet of Simple Stories stickers. These are so pretty. Beautiful Easter themed images and sentiments. I especially love that large scripty Easter sentiment. These are great for cards or tags. Next we have a pack of Simon Says Stamp sequins. These are perfect for shaker cards or embellishing. Moving right along, in this kit are 5 beautiful envelopes. The first one is a metallic dull pink. You're also going to get a metallic cornflower. So luxurious. This one here is a lemon chiffon, and then a cream, and lastly, beautiful clear vellum envelope. So unique. Now moving right along, we have an assortment of Lawn Fawn perfectly plaid 6x6 papers, spring colors, single-sided. I love a good plaid. Now check out this showstopper. Gorgeous tonic champagne harlequin pattern. It's embossed and it is dreamy. You're also going to get an assortment of solid color cardstock by Simon Says Stamp, surf blue, mint, cream. This cotton candy paper is by Basil. And lastly, you're going to get 2 sheets of vellum. Before we go, I wanted to share just quickly a couple of projects that I have created with the kit. This card features some of the Simple Story stickers as well as the Harlequin embossed paper. For this next project, I had some fun playing with those Easter egg stencils. Just want to mention before I go that this limited edition card kit is only available while supplies last. It's not part of the regular subscription and needs to be purchased separately, but many of the items are available for sale individually. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you next time.